Welcome to Fencing 101. Fencing is a sport of strategy, precision, and speed. Let's dive into the basics, from equipment to techniques, so you can start your fencing journey. Fencing requires specialized gear, a mask, jacket, glove, and one of three types of swords: foil, épée, or saber. Let's look at each piece. Your stance is the foundation of fencing. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, knees bent, and sword arm forward for balance and readiness. Mastering movement is key. Learn to advance by stepping forward with your front foot and retreat by stepping back with your back foot. Always stay balanced. Fencing attacks focus on precision. Practice the thrust, a simple forward arm extension, and the lunge, a powerful move to cover distance. Defense is just as important as attack. Learn basic parries to block your opponent's blade and riposte to counterattack quickly. Fencing scoring depends on the weapon: foil, épée, or saber. Points are awarded for valid hits on target areas. Let's break it down. Consistent practice builds skill. Focus on footwork, blade control, and reaction time with drills tailored to your level. Now you know the basics of fencing. Keep practicing, respect your opponent, and enjoy this incredible sport of strategy and skill.